multiple choice question from partial differential equations. First question, the particular integral of d square z equal x cube y is. Here we are having four options. We have to find which is the best answer. So solution, particular integral for the given function is 1 by d square into x cube of y. This is a process for finding particular integral. So what is the meaning of 1 by d square? You have to integrate this expression with respect to x 2 times. So if I am taking I equals x cube y, I1 is integration of x cube y with respect to x. So x power 4 by 4 into y. I2 second time integration x power 5 by 5. Already we are having 4 in denominator. So x power 5y divided by 20. So option 1 is the correct answer. Second question, the partial differential equation u double x equals u double y is the form parabolic, elliptic, hyperbolic and none. So general form of partial differential equation is a u double x plus b u double y plus c a b u x y, b u x y, c u double y plus d times of ux, f u y plus some constant e equals 0. So u double x is dou square u by dou x square. Here also uxy is dou squared u by dou x dou y. Here dou squared u by dou y square. Ux is dou u by dou x. Uy is dou u by dou y. So the condition is b square minus 4ac. We have to check the value of b square minus 4ac. In this given problem, can be written as u double x minus uyy equals 0. So here the value of a is 1. b uxy term is not appears here. So the value of b is 0 and c value is minus 1. Substitute the value b square minus 4ac. So substitute the values in b square minus 4ac. So 0 minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1. So positive 4. So which is greater than 0? If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the equation is hyperbolic. b square minus 4ac less than 0, the equation is elliptic. b square minus 4ac exactly equals 0, the equation is parabolic. So here b square minus 4ac value greater than 0, the given equation is hyperbolic equation. Next one, we have to find the particular integral of d cube minus 2d square d dash into z equals e power x plus 2y. So the procedure for finding particular integral is d cube minus 2d square d dash into e power x plus 2y. Now we have to substitute x coefficient in d, that is put d equals 1, d dash coefficient of y in d dash 2. Now I am going to substitute d and d dash value in this expression. So 1 divided by d cube 1 minus 2 into d square value is 1, d dash value is 2 into e power x plus 2y. So 1 divided by 1 minus 4 minus 3 e power x plus 2y. Particular integral is nothing but to eliminate d dash value in the denominator. So this is the value of our particular integral. So option 4 is the correct answer. Next, we are going to find the complementary function for the given cubic equation. So d cube minus 3d dash complementary function, d cube minus 3d square d dash plus 4d dash cube into z. So we have to find the complementary function, which is the left hand side solution for the given PDE. So first we need to find auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? For finding the auxiliary equation, replace d by m and d dash by 1. This is the procedure for finding the auxiliary equation. So here auxiliary equation is m cube minus 3m square plus 4 equals 0. So here this is a cubic equation. M has 3 roots. So first find the values of m. M cube synthetic division, I am using synthetic division here. M cube coefficient, m square coefficient, there is no m term here, so 0, 4. I am randomly choosing minus 1. So adding these two terms 1, multiplying these two terms minus 1. So again adding these two terms minus 4, multiplying these two terms 4. Again adding these two terms 4, multiplying these two terms minus 4. So 0. This is the remainder. Next, this is the expression of reduced equation. That is, our equation is cubic equation. So this is the quadratic expression. So start from left, constant term, m square term. So this is one of the values of m. The first value of m is minus 1. Next we have to find other two values. So m square minus 4m plus 4 equals 0. Factorize this expression. Product should be 4 and summation should be minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 2. m minus 2 equals 0. M equals 2, 2. So values of m are minus 1, 2, 2. So what is the complementary function here? f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x. If I am considering 2 as m2, it repeats one time. So for the first repetition, put x into f3 of y plus m2 x. Now zc is f1 of y, m1 value is minus 1, minus x, f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x. So y minus x, f2 of y plus 2x, x into f3 of y plus 2x. Our answer is this one. So option 4 is the correct answer here. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question. Here also we have to solve this expression. So in this problem also we have to find complementary function only because right hand side is 0. So I am going to solve this equation. So auxiliary equation, replace d by m. So m cube minus 3m square, d dash value is 1 equals 0. So m square is the common term here. M minus 3 equals 0. M square equals 0. M minus 3 equals 0. M square. So the values of m are 0, 0 and m equals 3. Now I am going to write f1 of y plus m1x. Here m1 repeats one time. So x into f2 of y plus m1x as this is a different value, f3 of y plus m2x. Now I am going to substitute all the values here. So zc, f1 of y plus m1 value is 0. So f1 of y plus x into f2 of m1 value again 0, y plus f3 into y plus 3x. So this is the final solution also because in this problem we don't have the particular integral. So z equals zc. So this is the solution. So this solution is, yeah, here we are having the solution, that is option 3 is correct here. And next one, general solution of p tan x plus q tan y equals tan z. This is of the form Lagrange's method. So Lagrange's method is the first order linear PDE. So p term, coefficient of small p is capital P. This is under Lagrange's method. So capital P is coefficient of small p tan x, capital Q is coefficient of small q tan y and R is tan z. Now, subsidiary equation dx by p, that is tan x, dy by q, tan y, and dz by r, tan z. Now, we have to equate 1 and 2, 2 and 3 or 1 and 3. In case 1, I am going to equate first two terms, dx by tan x equals dy by tan y. Now, I am going to integrate on both sides. Dx by tan x equals dy by tan y. So 1 by tan x is nothing but cot x. So cot x dx, here cot y dy. So integration of cot x is log sin x. In the same way, integration of cot y is log sin y. And integrating constant can be added as log c. So now log sin x minus log sin y equals log c. Log m minus log n. Log m minus log n equals log of m by n. So log sin x divided by sin y equals log c. Now sin x by sin y is c, and finally we can equate the constant as sin x by sin y equals u. In the same way, for case 2, we can equate dx by tan y equals dy by tan y equals dz by tan z. Integrating on both sides, 1 by tan y is cot y dy equals cot z dz. The same procedure as the case 1. So the final step is, instead of sin x by sin y, we will be getting sin y by sin z equals v. What is the solution? Solution for Lagrange's method is phi of u comma v equals 0. Here phi of u value is sin x by sin y by sin z. We can assign the function as either f or phi. So, but in the objective, in the options, we are using f only. So, f of sin x by sin y by sin z equals 0 is our answer.